Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Daza and this is a record for the course English 5. This is the task 8 and I'm going to talk about climate change. I've chosen this topic because I think it's important. Actually, around the world, all the countries are worried about the climate change. Well, um, not just the countries, but the majority of the countries are involved in that situation, are worried about the situation, and are trying to do something about the situation. Well, this record starts with a phrase. I have to use the phrase, "Where is the thought of?" And well, here it is. Where is the thought of ignoring climate change? Please, where is the thought? Because we all are responsible of the climate change. How to know that we are responsible? Well, just think about the daily activities that you do, and all the activities contributes to increase the problem. How? Well, it is sad, but maybe using public transportation contributes to climate change. I decided to record this video about climate change because it's extremely crazy the situation right now. Maybe the life here in the world is in danger right now, and we don't have another world to live. Well, just face up the situation, get on board, and take responsibility about the situation. Uh, I'm going to explain, or I'm going to try to explain how to contribute to resolve the problem, and then we can go for it, pace by pace, day by day. Um, just Paris the thought that it is just a problem for the government or some institutions. Paris the thought that it is for responsibility for companies, and because it is not just companies that contaminate, and the pollution is not just about the companies, it's about we all. And well, I have been thinking about it before I record this video. Maybe recycle could be a good option to contribute to resolve, to maybe help in a tiny way to resolve the problem. Uh, I had thought about it, and all the elements, all the things that we bought, bags and uh, different kinds of things to recycle. You need to think how to recycle these things. And another thing that I think could be positive is maybe try to think. Um, we just need the necessary to live. We don't need more than the necessary. But it's the old of think that we need a lot of money to buy a lot of cars, a lot of houses, um, try to spend and spend and spend like some industrialized countries that think that just consuming and consuming is good for the human race, and it is not good. If you think about it, we can live with the necessary. And what is the necessary? Uh, the necessary here is maybe not try to have the things, not try to have all your things being done by other people. you can do the thing by yourself, and maybe um, try to use the less elements as possible. Um, just because um, we all are maybe greedy. I think we are greedy, um, thinking about have a lot of things. And if you think about your life, um, you can live simple, simple. Your food, in the way you live, how you transport your family, or how you what your means of transport, and what else? The clothes that are you using? Maybe you need to buy clothes every day, or maybe you can recycle your clothes or reuse your your clothes, um, and not just think about buy and buy and buy. This kind of industrialized things contributes to uh, the climate change, to contaminate it, these kind of things. Oh, well, uh, if you think about it, um, well, first of all, recycle. Um, Second, um, try to be simple. Try to live simple, and you need a lot of things to live. Just the basic things. I think these both are important. Um, I think neither you or me uh, want to lose this war, because it's the only house that we have right now. And if we don't think about it, maybe uh, our time here in this world could be short. Then, well, I think it's all I have to talk right now. Thank you, all of you, and bye.